7 warning signs of poor circulation in diabetics. Navigating the complexities of diabetes involves more than just monitoring blood sugar levels. It's also about understanding the ripple effects it can have on overall health. One significant concern is how diabetes silently sabotages circulation. Recognizing early signs of circulatory distress is crucial for timely interventions and holistic diabetic care. Let's unveil 7 warning signs that highlight the intertwined relationship between diabetes and poor circulation, ensuring you're always a step ahead in your health journey. Number 1. Cold feet or hands. Cold feet or hands aren't merely a fleeting discomfort. They can signal deeper circulatory challenges, especially in those living with diabetes. The consistent coldness in these extremities can stem from the narrowing or clogging of blood vessels, a consequence of prolonged high blood sugar levels. When diabetes leads to these vascular alterations, the efficient flow of oxygen-rich blood to distant body parts, like the feet and hands, becomes restricted. This reduced circulation manifests as a distinct drop in temperature. For individuals with diabetes, being attentive to such changes is crucial. Regularly monitoring the temperature of your extremities and seeking timely interventions can assist in early detection and management of potential circulation-related complications. Number 2. Numbness or tingling. As we continue, please subscribe to this channel if you're finding this video helpful. Thank you. Numbness or tingling in the extremities, commonly known as pins and needles, is not just a fleeting sensation for many with diabetes, it's a potential red flag for circulatory issues. These sensations arise when the blood flow to certain areas, particularly the hands and feet, is diminished. Diabetes, with its propensity to damage blood vessels due to persistent high sugar levels, can lead to such circulatory impediments. Furthermore, these sensations can also hint at peripheral neuropathy, a condition where the nerves in the extremities are damaged by diabetes. Being proactive is key. Those experiencing consistent numbness or tingling should consider it a prompt to assess their blood sugar management and explore strategies to improve circulation and nerve health. Number 3. Swelling in the feet and ankles. Swelling in the feet and ankles, known as edema, holds significant implications for those with diabetes. This swelling can be a direct consequence of poor circulation, stemming from the body's inability to return fluid from the extremities back to the heart efficiently. With prolonged high blood sugar levels, diabetes can damage blood vessels, leading to decreased circulatory function and fluid retention. Additionally, compromised kidney function, a potential diabetic complication, can exacerbate this swelling. For those with diabetes, it's essential to be vigilant. Noticing and addressing persistent swelling can prevent further complications. Regular foot inspections, elevation of the feet, and wearing supportive footwear are proactive steps to manage and reduce edema and its impact. Number 4. Non-healing sores or ulcers. Non-healing sores or ulcers, especially on the feet, are alarm bells for those with diabetes. When blood circulation is compromised, often a result of the vascular damage from sustained high blood sugar levels, the body's ability to deliver essential nutrients and immune cells to wounds is hindered. This impedes the healing process, leading to persistent sores or ulcers. These open wounds not only cause discomfort but also pose a risk for infections. For diabetics, vigilance is paramount. It's vital to routinely inspect the feet for any cuts, blisters, or sores at the first sign of a non-healing wound. Taking prompt action by ensuring optimal blood sugar control and providing proper wound care can make a significant difference in recovery and prevention of complications. Number 5. Discoloration of the limbs. Discoloration of the limbs, especially when it manifests as a bluish or pale hue, is a concerning sign for individuals with diabetes. This change in color often indicates that the limbs aren't receiving an adequate supply of oxygenated blood, a consequence of impaired circulation. Diabetes, through prolonged elevated blood sugar levels, can damage blood vessels, reducing their efficiency in transporting blood. As a result, tissues may not receive the oxygen they need, leading to discoloration. For anyone with diabetes, it's crucial to recognize and respond to such changes. Regularly observing the limbs for any color alterations and ensuring consistent blood sugar management can mitigate risks. Additionally, taking steps to promote circulation, like exercising and avoiding prolonged immobility, can help in maintaining limb health. Number 6. Decreased hair growth on legs and feet. Decreased hair growth on the legs and feet may seem like a minor cosmetic issue, but it can signal a deeper underlying circulatory problem. Hair follicles require a steady flow of oxygen-rich blood to thrive and grow. Diabetes, through extended periods of high blood sugar, can weaken and damage the small blood vessels responsible for nourishing these follicles. When circulation to the extremities becomes compromised, hair growth can be stunted or even cease. For diabetics, observing such changes serves as a crucial cue to assess their circulatory health. To counteract this, maintaining optimal blood sugar levels and adopting habits that boost circulation, like regular walking, can help in ensuring that the legs and feet receive the nourishment they need. Number 7. Brittle or thickened toenails. Brittle or thickened toenails, while often overlooked, can be indicative of underlying circulatory issues. The nails, like other tissues, rely on a consistent supply of oxygen-rich blood to maintain their health and integrity. However, prolonged high blood sugar levels in diabetics can lead to damage in the small blood vessels, compromising the delivery of essential nutrients to the extremities, including the toenails. As a result, nails might become brittle, prone to breakage, or unusually thick. For those with diabetes, monitoring toenail health is crucial. Any noticeable changes should prompt a review of blood sugar management and circulatory health. Regular foot examinations and maintaining optimal blood glucose levels can help in preventing and managing such signs. Understanding the intricate connection between diabetes and circulatory health is vital for preventing complications and maintaining well-being. Recognizing the warning signs, from cold extremities to persistent ulcers, empowers individuals to take proactive measures. You might also want to watch this video on how diabetics improve circulation to the extremities. And please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.